Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
Is the Hisense Fit Day Smart Body Scale. Model number is BS171. Here is the invoice from Amazon. You can see here 1000 rupees it cost. At the side, connect with the social media and HealthSense. Nothing at the side. Here is a product number and HealthSense. On the top, HealthSense. At the back, here is the steps, quick start guide, how to set up the app, and the complete body analysis like body weight, body mass, etc., body fat, etc. You can pause the video and read it. It comes with 1 year warranty. You can register here. Actual MRP is 2000, but at the discount is 1000 less from the box. At the top, the thank you letter. You can see here, thank you letter, user manual, and warranty registration. This is a thank you letter. This is the user manual. Read it before using it. Here is the warranty registration card. Like this. This is the warranty registration card, and this is the quick setup guide for the app. I will show you later in the demonstration part. Here is our weight scale. Let's take it out from the polythene wrap. It has 4 metal plates like this. This is a metal plate and a glass body. Okay. Here is a tape, the battery inside. You can pull it for activating. I will show you the demo. Yes, now this. Here is a G sensor for accurate reading. Here is a button to adjust the weight measuring unit. Okay, so this is the box content, and let's move to the weighted scale. There is a scale. Now let's activate by pulling this tape. Now it's activated now. Let's put this cover. Now it is kg mode with Bluetooth on. You can see here pounds and kg. You can switch it with this button. There is a pulse rating. It will automatically cancel out. To measure it, you have to place the foot on the foot plates. There is a demonstration. First, activate the weight scale app. It will say connected. Now, stand on the foot plates. Wait for the reading to be still. Now, reading is still. You can see here the weight has been read successfully. Now let's move to the app. Here is the app interface. You can see the weight, BMI, body fat, etc. This is the tiles where you can check the progress of weight loss or weight gain. Like this, like BMI, body fat, body mass, body fat, muscle mass, etc. You can change the one tile for detailed description like this. You can store the BMI, body age, obesity level. There is a chart. You can check the progress of your weight, like recently, weekly or monthly. Okay. There is a week graph. There is a recent graph. Okay. Now check the settings of this app. Like you can pair with Google Fit, Fitbit, or Samsung Health. I will show you how to link it. Like I am linking with Samsung Health. Turn on. Allow all the permissions like this, like weight, etc., hip, performance, etc. Weight, it will automatically read and automatically sync with Samsung Health. Like this is a message you can show here. You can see here. Now let's enable the app pin by entering the password. Now app log is successfully set. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. I will provide the link in the description. Okay, thanks.